Welcome to Medical Professor. Let's practice these English sentences. She had not finished her homework before the class started. They had not seen that movie until last week. I had not heard about the event until you told me. We had not prepared for exam as thoroughly as we should have. He had not been to the new restaurant before the last night. The dog had not eaten anything all the day. You had not told me about your plans for the weekend. The teacher not checked the assignments before leaving. She had not realized her mistake until it was too late. The train had not arrived when we reached the station. WH questions with had. What had you done before the meeting started? Where had she gone before you arrived? Why had they left the house so early? When had you last spoken to him? Who had taken the book from the shelf? How had you managed to solve the problem? What had they decided to do after the discussion? Where had the children been playing before dinner? Why had the project been delayed for so long? How long had he been working on the assignment before submitting it? English questions with helping verbs. Are you coming to the party tonight? Is she studying for the exam right now? Do you like reading mystery novels? Does he know how to play the piano? Was she working on project yesterday? Were they invited to the wedding? Have you completed your homework yet? Has he visited the museum before? Will you help me with my assignment? Can they solve this problem on their own? Did you finish your homework? Can you speak Spanish fluently? Could he help with presentation tomorrow? Shall we go for a walk this evening? Should they bring their books to class? Would you like some tea or coffee? May I borrow your pen for a moment? Might it rain later today? Must we complete this assignment tomorrow? Will you attend the meeting on Monday? Negative sentences with helping verbs. She is not attending the meeting today. They do not enjoy watching horror movies. He does not like coffee in the morning. I was not feeling well yesterday. We were not invited to the party. She has not finished her homework yet. They have not seen the new movie. He will not be able to join us for dinner. You cannot park your car here. We should not waste water unnecessarily. I did not understand the question. She cannot attend the meeting tomorrow. They could not find missing keys. He shall not go to the party without invitation. You should not ignore your health. We might not finish the project by the deadline. She has not been feeling well lately. He is not coming to the event tonight. They will not agree to these terms. We must not waste time on trivial matters. Negative sentences with modal verbs. She cannot drive a car without a license. They should not waste their time on trivial matters. He must not enter the restricted area. We could not solve the puzzle in time. You may not leave the class without permission. She might not attend the party tonight. I will not tolerate any form of dishonesty. They shall not harm the environment. He would not apologize for his behavior. You ought not ignore the advice of your doctor. Questions with modal verbs. Can you help me with the task? Should we bring anything for the meeting? Must I submit the report today? May I borrow your book for the weekend? Could she explain the topic again? Might they join us for the dinner later? Will you be attending the conference? Would you like some tea or coffee? Shall we go for a walk in the evening? Ought we inform them about the changes? WH questions with have and has. What have you done to prepare for the exam? Where has she gone this morning? Why have they not arrived yet? Who has taken my notebook from the table? How long have you been waiting here? What has he decided about the job offer? Where have we seen this movie before? Why has the train been delayed? How much progress you made on the project? Who has been helping you with your homework? WH questions with do. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Where do they go on weekends? Why do you always arrive late to class? Who do you trust the most in your life? How do you plan to solve this problem? What time do you usually wake up in the morning? Where do we park our car when the lot is full? Why do animals behave differently in in the wild? How much water do you drink every day? What do you think about the new movie? WH questions with does. What does he usually do on weekends? Where does he work during the day? Why does it always rain in the evening? Who does she call when she needs help? How does he manage to stay so organized? What time does the train arrive at the station? Where does your friend live in the city? Why does this machine make so much noise? How much money does he spend on groceries? What does the teacher think about your project? WH questions with did. What did you eat for the dinner last night? Where did they go for the vacation? Why did she leave the party so early? Who did you meet at the conference yesterday? How did he solve that difficult math problem? When did you first start learning English? What time did the movie start? Where did she buy that beautiful dress? Why did they cancel the meeting? How many people did attend the workshop? WH questions using did, do, and does. What did you do over the weekend? Where did they travel for their holiday? Why did she quit her job? What do you usually eat for breakfast? Where do they spend most of their free time? Why do we always forget important dates? What does he want to achieve this year? Where does she usually go for her morning run? Why does it take so long to finish this task? How do you usually know so much about this topic? Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming important videos.